Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to use images as a link in HTML. So here you can see we have two images over here, YouTube and Facebook, and if I click on this YouTube image, it will take us to the youtube.com, and if I click on this Facebook image, it will take us to the facebook.com. Here you can see. So I am going to show you how you can do it. This is super simple. So first of all, for it, let's go to our code editor. And here we just have a simple text over here, how to use image as a link. So right now let me just refresh here, and first of all we are going to mention the image over here, and here you can see our images is over here. You can see YouTube logo and Facebook logo, and the extension for the image is PNG. So here first of all we are going to mention the image tag. You can also see the images over here as well. So first of all, let's add the YouTube underscore logo.png. So here in the source, we are going to say YouTube underscore logo.png. So if we save it, then if we refresh in our browser, you can see the YouTube image here. So right now, in order to make this image into a link, what we have to do is that we need to keep this image tag inside a anchor tag. Let me just show you. We are going to have an anchor tag over here, and then inside this anchor tag we'll keep this image tag. So right now here inside the href we need to say youtube.com, because on clicking on this image we want to go to youtube.com. So for it we need to say over here inside the href youtube.com, and we need to write it like this: https://www.youtube.com. we need to write it like this, or you can just simply go to your website, browser, and just go to youtube.com and then just copy it from here. You can do that just as well, and if we paste it, it will basically be the same thing. Okay, so right now if we save it, then if we refresh here and if we click on this YouTube image, then it will take us to the youtube.com. Here you can see. So right now what we want is that when you click on this image, it will open another tab, and in that tab it will open youtube.com. So for it, what we have to do is that inside the anchor tag we are going to say over here target, it will be underscore blank. So right now save, then refresh, and if we click on this image, it will open another tab and take us to youtube.com. So right now let's go and do the same for the Facebook image as well. So let me just copy this anchor tag and paste it over here, and here in the image source we are going to say facebook underscore logo.png. So here we are going to say facebook underscore logo.png, and here in the href we need to say https://www.facebook.com. so right now let's also mention a width for our Facebook logo. Let's say 150 px. Save it, then let's refresh here. We have the Facebook image over here, and if we click on this Facebook image, it will take us to facebook.com. so this is how you can add or make image into a link in HTML. This is super simple. All you have to do is that you need to, in the href, you need to give the link, and you have to keep the image inside the anchor tag. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. Make sure to give a like and leave a comment. I would really appreciate if you subscribe this channel. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.